Hello everybody, in this video I will show you how you can hide your Instagram account or how to make your Instagram account private. I will try to explain it in all details but very quickly. Okay, let's go. Now, when you start Instagram, go to the bottom menu and find the person icon. In my case, it's bottom right, at the bottom right, and tap on that. When you come here, go to top right hand side to find three horizontal lines and a pop-up menu appears. Here go to the settings. When you come to the settings, find privacy option. In my case it's fourth from the top. And now when I come here, the first option is private account. For me, it's a public account, but when you tap on it and when it becomes green, it makes your account private. Our video is all that. Please do not forget to subscribe and like the video.